In this video, we're going to show you how to install the driver's side tow mirror on your Dodge Ram, located right here on your driver's door. The process is the same for the passenger side. Using a plastic trim tool, I want to go ahead and lift up on this switch. Just go underneath, gently twist, and pop this up and out. Go ahead and just wiggle that around gently. You're going to come around to the switch connectors on the back side here. I want to go ahead and disconnect these. On the top, you're just going to press down and wiggle that connector out. We'll go ahead and do the same for the bottom. Go ahead and use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screw on this panel. Remove that screw, set it aside. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 2 screws across the bottom of the door panel. Lift up on the door handle to gain access to this Phillips head screw right here in the middle of the panel. You want to go ahead and remove our interior door handle pull. You lift up, and there's going to be a T40 Torx bit screw inside here. Go ahead and remove that. Lift up on that door panel. Work that up off of your lock button. Go ahead and pull it up and off and set it aside. On the back side here, you're going to locate this little foam insulation pad here. Inside, you're going to find the wiring harness for the mirror. I'm just going to reach inside here and press in on this little tab and pull the harness out of the back side of the mirror, like so. Those 3 10mm nuts, one here, and one here. We'll go ahead, loosen and remove those. I like to start with the 2 bottom ones. Loosen and remove that upper one. And on the inside here, you're going to notice there's little retainer clips, one on the left-hand side, one on the right-hand side. So you want to go ahead and hold that mirror, and you use your pry tool, and you want to go ahead and relax those clips, push them in. This is actually holding the mirror in place onto the door so it doesn't just fall off. You pull that mirror off. So line up the studs with the new mirror going in. Push this up and into place. Get the plastic retainers holding the mirror in place. Now we can go ahead and install the nuts. Now that we have all 3 of those nuts installed, let's go ahead and snug them down. You're going to grab your connector, line that up, push it in until you feel it click. When lining up our door panel for installation, you want to make sure that all these hooks on the back side drop in to the door shell properly. I'm going to bring this up into position. I want to make sure that we pull our wires for our door switch through. On the back side here, make sure that our door lock rod comes through. So I'm just going to run my hand around the perimeter of the door panel itself, making sure that there's no large gap. Our door panel seems to be set in properly. go ahead and install our 2 lower screws in the door panel. Snug those down. Snug that down. Now on the inside right here, I'm going to go ahead and install our handle with our Torx bit screw. And once that's there, let's go ahead and snug that down. Go ahead and just give that a chest. Take your switch. I'm going to line up our connectors on the back side of it. Press those on, you can hear them snap into place. Go ahead and snap that into place.